Okay, we're at section 1411, beats. Let's. It's a single slide presentation. Okay, let's look at a different type of interference from the superposition of two waves with slightly different frequencies. In this situation, the waves at some fixed point are periodically in and out of phase because of constructive and destructive interference. To understand this phenomenon, take a look at the figure. The two waves in the top figure were emitted by two tuning forks having slightly different frequencies. The bottom figure shows the superposition of these waves. At some time Ta, the waves are in phase and constructive interference occurs. At some later time, the vibrations of the two forks move out of step with each other. At time Tb, one fork emits a compression while the other emits a rarefaction, and destructive interference occurs. As time passes, the vibrations of the two forks move out of phase, then into phase again, and so on. As a consequence, a listener at some fixed points hears an alternation in loudness known as beats. The number of beats per second, or the beat frequency, the beat frequency equals the difference in frequency between the two sources, where FB is the beat frequency, and F1 and F2 are the two frequencies. The absolute value is used because the beat frequency is a positive quantity. A stringed instrument such as a piano can be tuned by beating a note on the instrument against a note of known frequency. The string can then be tuned to the desired frequency by adjusting the tension until no beats are heard. You sometimes experience this while driving, while stopped at a stoplight. Your engine has a particular frequency, a little revolutions per minute, and an adjacent car has revolutions per minute that are very close to yours but slightly off, and you will hear a wong, wong, wong. You'll hear a low frequency beat that occurs from the beat interference coming from an adjacent car. Just a word of notice, another thing I've experienced while waiting at a stoplight. The next section is going to be another single slide presentation. It's the quality of sound. But with that, let's stop and